How to recover deleted call history on Android. Hi everyone, this is Kate here and welcome back to the channel, and in today's video we will learn how we can recover deleted call history on Android. So without further delay, let's get started. The first option is to restore from your Google account backup. If your device was configured to backup data to your Google account, you might be able to restore all your call history. So to check for the backup, you have to navigate to the settings in your device. And under settings, scroll down here towards the Google. Under Google, make sure that the backup is turned on. Tap on backup and make sure that it is turned on, and also the contact, call history and device settings are also backed up. Now once all your call history is listed as a backed up, now to restore your device you will need to perform a factory reset. But be careful while you factory reset your device, that will erase all of your current data on your device. So for that, ensure that you have backed up all of your important information before proceeding to factory reset. After you reset your device, during the device setup, you have to sign in with the same Google account that you have backed up your call history on, and you have to choose to restore them from the backup, and you will have all of your call history after resetting your device. But if you don't want to factory reset your device and still want the call history, the other option is to contact your mobile service provider. You have to reach out to your courier's customer service, request a copy of all your call history, and be prepared to provide all of your identification and account details. So these are some of the ways in order to restore your call history on Android. That's it, and that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more videos.